Now you will see click by click how to trade on Bybit app. I will also show you my trade, which is currently around 0.019 BTC on profit, which is around $430 earnings with just one trade on this app. I will show you how to navigate and use the Bybit app because this is one of the easiest Bitcoin and cryptocurrency apps in the whole world. Let's start from the zero. I assume that you don't have much experience, so let's go to the zero and I will uninstall the app and I will install it with you to walk you through all the steps how you can get started, get up to $4,000 in welcome bonuses and all these steps. As you can see on the screen, Bybit provides up to $4,000 in welcome bonuses for new users, and I always leave you a link in the description where you can sign up immediately for 100% free. So there are two ways how you can sign up using your phone. First option is simply to click here more and then you click the link in the description. You will immediately land on the Bybit registration page where you sign up for free. You can sign up using your email address, mobile number or Google account. You can decide. For example, if you want to sign up using your email address, you put your email address here, you fill out the password, referral code is right there. You click here continue. You will be inside Bybit for free. Once the app has been downloaded, you can simply click here to open the app, and this works perfectly on your Android phone, Apple phone, on your tablet devices, on your computer, on any device you want. But today we are going to focus on the Bybit app and I will show you in a great detail how you will be able to use it. First they have some welcome messages. It's a really easy app. It's one of the easiest apps I have ever seen. And you can see here they give welcome gifts up to $3,030 for our subscribers. It's more than $4,000 worth of welcome gifts. You can see different bonuses right here. Even by signing up you can get $5 bonus right now. But let's register immediately. You click right here, register, sign in to get the bonuses. And here you will register if you don't have an account yet, or if you have an account you click here login. But let's go through the sign up process so all of you will be able to do this for free. You can again sign up using your email address, mobile phone or Google account. For example, with email, fill it out here, create the password, and now you need to put the referral code manually. Once you have filled out the details, you click here continue. You will be inside Bybit for free. But since I already have an account, I will click here login and I will log in with my personal account. Once you are inside Bybit, you can get your welcome bonuses and rewards here in the rewards hub. You can click right here, and if you don't see it immediately, you can simply scroll a little bit and you should see it there. So here in the rewards hub, you will see different things. For example, your reward, you can see the highlights here, and when you sign up as a new user, it will show you a list of different rewards that you can get and how you can redeem them. It shows them here. You can go, you can read the details, and you can start redeeming one reward after another. For example, if you just follow them on Twitter, you usually get some bonuses, some free money for that as well. But now let's start diving deeper into this trading, and we have here derivatives and spot trading, and then we have wallets. We are going to go through all of these in a great detail, and actually you can see now my trade that I showed you in the beginning, it has already gone up 0.02 BTC in profits, which means that this one trade has made more than $450 profits just like that. But first I want to talk to you about this spot trading on this trade section, because this is better for beginners. For derivatives it requires a little bit of experience, and I recommend that when you start with derivatives you start with the free money, and that's why we first talk about spot. But even before that, you need to understand that your money, your assets will be in a few different wallets here on Bybit app. You can see that there is a spot wallet, derivatives wallet, and then there are a few other wallets as well. At the moment I mostly hold here on spot and derivatives wallets. And what does it mean? With spot wallet you can do the spot trading. With derivatives wallet you can do the derivatives, also known as futures trading, right? So there is a specific wallet for a specific trading type. And when you want to have some money on your spot wallet, you can choose the currency. For example, I have here BTC, but let's say you want to deposit some USDT, which is also extremely common. You can click right here. You can click here on the bottom deposit. Then you choose what chain you use to deposit. For example, ERC20 is really popular. You click here copy, you paste it on another platform, you do the deposit, you have the money on your Bybit account, and you can easily transfer money between your spot and derivatives wallet. For example, let's say you have some BTC on your spot wallet like I have, and let's say I want to transfer it here to derivatives where I also have. I can simply click here transfer, and you can see I have now 0.1 BTC more or less on spot. I can click here transfer all, and I click confirm transfer, and it's 100% free transfer on this app. You can see it was transferred successfully. Now on my spot wallet wallet there is $0 more or less, and everything is now here on the derivatives wallet, and the vice versa. From derivatives wallet to spot account, let's transfer 0.1 BTC, a few $1,000, confirm transfer, takes a few moments and transferred successfully. When we come back here and we wait a few moments, you can see it here, 0.1 BTC is on my spot wallet. Now when you want to do the spot trading, you simply come here to trade section and you can choose the currencies right here. You can see on the left hand side these two dots or something like that. You can choose right here, you can scroll, or you can simply type here. For example, if BTC USDT, it's the trending one because that's the most common trading pair. But I know some of you like to trade, for example, Ethereum. You can choose that one there as well. And here are also many other currencies. In fact, Bybit provides you the freedom of money. You know, many banks, they only provide you one currency or two currencies like euro and dollar. Or if you are living in India, maybe Indian rupee, they force you to hold only one currency. Bybit gives you a freedom of money. You can hold hundreds of different currencies here and you can trade them really easily. So that's another benefit of Bybit. And for example, if you want to find BTC trading pairs or Bitcoin trading pairs, you click here BTC, you will find it immediately there. And these are, you can see Bit BTC, Dot BTC, Ethereum BTC. So they are nominated in BTC. Here are in USDC, USDT, and DAI in stable coins. And I have also added in favorites this BTC USDT because it's the most common one that I personally use for trading. Personally, I just convert all the shit coins, so-called altcoins, into Bitcoin, which is the strongest money ever seen on planet Earth. But that is not the finance advice, not investment advice, simply what I do with years of experience of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. You have the freedom to choose how you do the trading. I'm not going to force you into specific type, right? After you have chosen your trading pair right here, you will be able to do the trading here really easily. You can use the limit order. For example, you buy or sell BTC when it hits a specific price. Let's say that now it's $22,000. You can make a limit order. When the BTC hits, for example, $21,000, then you will buy a specific amount of BTC. You know, buy low, sell high, that's what they say. Or if you want to create a limit sell order, for example, sell, now it's 22,000, and for example, when Bitcoin would go to 30,000, I could put here to sell, but obviously I don't want that because Bitcoin is going much higher in the long term. Personally, I use market order most of the time because it executes immediately. I can show you just a quick example. It executes a trade in the market price. So if I sell like 0.001 BTC, which is around $22, you can see it confirms here. I can click here, do not prompt confirmation window anymore. So it does it immediately. Sell BTC. That's it, that's how fast it was. Now I have the USDT, and when I want to trade it back to BTC, I can simply scroll this one right here. I click here buy BTC, and right here order submitted successfully. Now I have again 100% BTC. But of course, this kind of immediately back and forth trading may not be twice because then it takes small fees for that. So I just showed it for you as an example how easy it is. Trading fees on Bybit are really low. The highest fee is 0.1%, right? So if you trade worth $1,000, you pay only $1 in fees. If you trade $100, you pay only $0.1, so 10 cents in fees. So they are really low. And when you do futures trading, derivatives trading, then your fees will be even lower if you are on VIP levels and if you are active trader. So fees really good on Bybit, really low fees. And in this basic trading view, you can easily do the trades. But if you like to read candlestick charts, you can click right here. You can see up here, you click, and then you will see this candlestick charts, and you will be able to change the time frames to whatever you want. It's really easy to use. Here you will also see the order book, the prices people are buying and selling for. You will see the previous orders, and you will get some information about specific cryptocurrencies, in this case Bitcoin, which is the strongest form of money ever seen on planet Earth. And if you want to move back, you can simply click right here, and then you are back here on trading view. And if you want to change the order book view, you can easily change it right here. Really easy to use. Everything is super intuitive, and you can see your assets in your spot wallet here on the asset section, but also right here assets, and here you can see almost 100% is now on a BTC on my spot wallet. And spot trading you will basically always need until the rest of your life, because here you will exchange currencies directly. For example, if you buy BTC, you buy Bitcoin directly, right? You start owning owning that Bitcoin. But when you sell it, you sell the asset directly. Why do I explain it? Because in derivatives, you don't trade assets directly. You speculate on the price, right? There is a big difference because on spot trading, you can own assets. You can hold them in your own wallet. With derivatives trading, you are expecting the price to go higher or lower, and you are doing this kind of speculation, which may be good also, but you need to understand the difference. With other one, with spot trading, you own assets directly. With derivatives trading, you speculate on the price, right? And that brings us to the derivatives trading. And let me show you again the trade that I currently have right here. It's going up all the time when I'm recording this video. Now it's on profit, 0.022 BTC more or less. Let's see how much that is. It's around $500 in profit. So I have earned some profits also while recording this video. It's really nice, maybe even more when you are watching this. But now when you watch this video or when you watch any other trading videos on YouTube or any other platforms, don't blindly follow anybody. Don't just copy, okay, this person is doing this person is doing this. Don't just copy. Listen to me, listen to others, study different assets, and then form your own opinions. Because what I see many beginners doing is that they blindly follow, for example, some YouTubers or some trading gurus or whatever, and then they lose money. Because you need to take responsibility of your own trades. You need to understand why do you make specific trades, and that's how you can become successful with it, right? And for beginners, as I told you in the beginning, start with the free money. Start with the money that you get in forms of bonuses, or if you want to use the testnet, start with that, because derivatives trading, you can make money faster, but you can also lose money faster because you are using leverage. What does it mean? Everything is amplified. For example, if you choose here 2x leverage that I'm currently using, if you would normally earn $100 profit, with 2x leverage you earn $200 profits, right? If you would normally earn $1,000 profits, with 2x leverage you earn $2,000 profits. So everything is amplified, but the same is also vice versa. If you would normally lose, for example, 10%, but now you are using 2x leverage, you lose 20%. If you would normally lose 50%, with 2x leverage you lose 100%, so your whole position. So you need to understand everything is amplified with derivatives, and this is something that I cannot underline enough. It's so important to understand. Doing the derivatives trading in practice here on the Bybit app is pretty much similar like doing the spot trading. The main difference is that you simply choose here the leverage, so how much you want everything to get amplified, and then the second thing is that there is a liquidation price. Liquidation price is something that you always want to avoid reaching. In this case, I'm trading Bitcoin long. I expect Bitcoin to get higher, so if Bitcoin would reach this price 13,800, this position would get liquidated, meaning that I would lose this specific position unless I add collateral. And of course I will add collateral if it happens to go lower, so in reality I wouldn't get liquidated even in this price. But if you don't add any collateral, this will be the price when you get liquidated, when you lose your position, so you don't want to reach that one. And you can see while I'm recording this video, it's all the time making me more and more profits at the trade that I have opened here. There are a couple of different ways to do the futures trading. You can trade with the USDT as your collateral, so USD Tether, and then USDC is right here, and then inverse perpetual trading. So when you use some cryptocurrency as your collateral, for example Bitcoin, you can also use Ethereum, XRP, Solana, so on and so forth. But personally, of course, I like to hold a Bitcoin as a collateral. USDT derivatives is the most common one. Then you will be using Tether as your collateral, and you know that the value of that is always more or less $1, and that's why some people call it the stable coin. Same goes also with USDC. If you use both of them, you lower the risk a little bit because you are diversifying on two different stable coins. Here you will be able to choose the leverage, and notice that you can choose a different leverage for your long trades and then also short trades. Short trades means that you expect the price of an asset go lower. So when Bitcoin goes down in value, and if you are shorting it, you will be earning money, right? You can earn money when the Bitcoin goes down. But of course, personally, I wouldn't recommend shorting Bitcoin because it's the strongest form of money ever known on planet Earth. But if you want to short some shitcoins, that may of course be one option, maybe a little bit risky, but for example weak cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and this kind of meme coins, you can sell them short, and when they keep on going even more down in value, you will be earning money. And you can see here in the derivative section that you can also choose limit orders, market orders, and here you can do the open long when you expect the price of an asset to go higher, and open short when you expect the price of an asset to go lower. And you can also see your assets here on the derivative section. You can see it's almost 100% BTC on my account. And you can see all the time when I'm recording, the profit is just going higher and higher. So now it's going pretty nicely. I believe when you are recording, the profit of this specific trade must be even higher. Personally, I'm using 2x leverage and it's enough for me. I don't need some crazy leverages. You can see there is up to 100x leverage here, but of course that would be completely crazy. I recommend anything between 5x leverage, preferably 2 or 3x, because in any case there is quite a lot of volatility that we can profit from, right? If I want to increase this position that I have right here, I can open here the same contract, BTC and USD, and I can choose how much of my portfolio I want to increase. Just to give you an example, I can increase it here with the 441 USDT worth of Bitcoin. I can click here buy long and you can see the position size increased a little bit. And if I want to close it, I can close it right here immediately or later. Just to give you an example, if I close it, let's say 10%, 526 quantity, I can click here confirm and you can see it was successfully filled and you can see the position size was decreased. And if I want to close it completely, I can put 100%, I can click confirm, but I don't want to do it because currently I like this position, it looks good and it's making profits. With USDT perpetual, exactly the same. And of course you can also put take profit and stop loss. For example, when your trade has made $100 profit, you can take the profit, close it automatically, or you can put the stop loss so you avoid losing more money. Those are really common functions, and of course I can set them still here while this is open. I can do it here. Let's say my position when it's 50% profit, I can take the profits, or it's 100% profit, I can take the profits, or if I lose, let's say 5%, I can stop loss. So when I set it up, if the market moves, this will automatically execute the trade, but I will not use it now because I want to manually decide when I will close the trade. I hope this has given you a good understanding on how you will be able to do the trading on the Bybit app. Of course, trading is just one way to earn money here, and holding Bitcoin is in most cases the most profitable way to do it. But there are many other ways how you can earn money on Bybit, some of them even for 100% free with no investments required. And that's why I have created for you this playlist, Earn Money on Bybit, where we currently have more than 40 videos and I show you there are many different ways how to earn money, even automatically on Bybit, for example on Bybit Earn platform. So you and me, my friend, we are immediately going to see on this playlist Earn Money on Bybit.